Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about helping you find the best work from home jobs available so you can live your healthiest, happiest life and have that great work-life balance. So if you're not already subscribed, please do that and make sure those notifications are turned on so you never miss another daily upload from me. But we'll keep today's video really short and to the point. The wellness company Nutrafol is hiring an email designer. This is for my United States folks only. It is a full-time job and it is non-phone based. So they're looking for someone who knows a little bit about HTML and who can write and code emails. You know, sometimes you always get those advertisement emails trying to sell you something or convince you to buy something when you sign up for different companies' mailing lists. And that is what this is. They are looking for someone to design and code the emails. Someone who can code visual templates for others to use to build out emails, someone who can ensure that they follow the email best practices, follow the brand guidelines, and create great graphics and edit photos for the emails. They are looking for someone who has 3 or more years of email design and coding experience, or someone who has worked with HTML5 before, someone who is understanding about presentation to various email to clients, and different ways that emails show up on different devices. If you are checking your email on your computer, it looks different than if you're using the app on your iPhone, which also looks different if you're using the app on an Android device. So someone who can design emails that look great across all devices. Now, one reason I did want to share this is they have amazing benefits that I've never seen before. So if you know anything about HTML, this might be the opportunity for you. Besides having fully work from home experience, they include a one-time allowance for home office setup, and then they also include a monthly work from home stipend. They offer medical, dental, vision, 401k, PTO, but they also offer a couple of different things that I thought were very cool. You get a monthly cell phone stipend. So yes, you will get a free cell phone. They pay your cell phone bill every month. They provide you a monthly cell phone stipend to pay that bill. So it is not coming out of your regular budgeted money for your household bills. They also not only provide you that monthly work from home stipend but they provide free lunch every Tuesday and Thursday. And when you're working from home, how do they do that? They give you a Grubhub allowance to have lunch delivered. I have never seen a company offer that as a benefit. They also offer, since they are a wellness company, they also offer other wellness benefits such as free meditation, free yoga, and a subscription to their wellness. Unfortunately for this position, they do not state the pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And as always, please feel free to leave anything in the comments specific to what you are looking for or any education or experience that you have, because I'm always reading the comments and keeping that in mind when I am looking for job leads to share. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.